Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Saint Lazare local and long-distance movers near me. Is it time to hire a dependable and cheap Saint Lazare moving company? 3 Movers offers the best options to make your local or long-distance move easier and faster. Our team knows how to make sure you get moved without all the stress. You can relocate 100 miles or further with our long-distance moving services. Even consider adding the following to make your move easier: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We make relocating so much easier. It doesn't matter why you need to move or how fast it needs to happen. We can help. Our team of movers knows how to get you to your next destination without all the trouble. Are you ready to plan a local move and you need a good Canada moving company? Do you want to save time and energy when you move? With the right local movers, you won't have to worry nearly as much. 3 Movers offers full local moving services to make it easier for you to get to where you need to go. Whether you're moving your home, business, or both, we can streamline the entire process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saint Lazare moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.